Hey guys, very excited today to talk about 4 new inlay options for the new S Systainer. The first one we have is for Forstner bits, EPP foam, so it's a molded dense foam. Here I've got the Forstner bit set, 1/4 inch all the way up to 1 3/8 inches. The next one, this is designed to go in the S147, the one that is twice the height of the S76. This is actually a 2-layer inlay. This one is for hole saws. On the top here, we've got a variety of different diameters for your saw itself. We've also got 2 different places for your drill bit and holding mechanism. And then on the bottom, we've got another set for larger diameter hole saws. The largest size is 3 inch or 76 millimeter. These are designed to then be stacked on top of one another. There are finger grab holes in the sides to go into the S147. The next one we have here is a router bit inlay. This is designed for 8 millimeter bits. You can also put 1/4 inch bits in here. You may want to consider adding the egg crate style dimpled foam on the lid to hold things in place. Once this is closed and locked, it's nice and secure. Nothing can fall out of place. And then the last one, this is another 2-layer inlay, and what this is going to be for is your SDS style drill bits, so you can hold up to 5 SDS bits in here. You also have a little compartment here for some accessories, and then on the bottom you've got 4 different compartments for short bits, and then you've also got some holes here for smaller bits or accessories. Those are the new inserts available soon on Systainer.store. Check them out. Thanks.